My name is Jake. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Tripgrid, a team travel workspace. Travel today, still being organized in spreadsheets, which is crazy to me. And this is being done by businesses of all shapes and sizes. Entertainment companies, TV, film, sports, construction, consultancies, oil and gas, it goes on and on. Most of the major corporates in the world are doing this, right? And it's just interesting. What is the problem with spreadsheets? The spreadsheets, so much time is wasted. There's multiple admins entering details time and time again in multiple different places. Mistakes are made throughout this entire process, and opportunities are missed to track 100% of their travel. So what is it that these companies need? They need one location to organize all of their travel. They needed a tool that automates a majority of the process, a process that minimizes the mistakes, and a workspace that gives more transparency into their travel. It's crazy to me that in a multifaceted company, there literally is no one single environment where a corporate can store, organize, and track 100% of their travel, unless they've built that software themselves. Which I've talked to some of these companies, and they've actually done this, spending hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, building proprietary software to organize their own travel. So we built Tripgrid. Part workspace, part spreadsheet, customizable, and automated. Finally, an environment to get all travel into one workspace. The ability to get every reservation organized, tracked, and in that same environment. The automation behind real-time custom travel documents and outputs for their entire team. Now you might be thinking TMCs or Concur help with this situation, and the majority of them get really close, but they do not build custom team outputs or travel documents for teams. They don't offer a workspace for organizing all of this travel information, and they do not have 100% of the data, unfortunately, because of leakage. So full transparency is not always the case. I think we can all agree in this room that TripIt and TripCase are fantastic for the individual traveler, but not necessarily for team travel. They are too rigid, they're not customizable, and they do not replace spreadsheets. As for the rest of the competition in this space, the majority of them focus on group booking. That means they immediately compete with TMCs, and they're competing with each other and with consumer applications for unmanaged customers. This is shark-infested waters. Over half of our customers actually use TMCs and or Concur and still use Tripgrid. This means that we are not competition, we are a partner. And it also means that leaves the majority of the business travel market open for our tool. The market potential is huge, and we have multiple customers in multiple verticals that I discussed before. As an early stage small team, we have chosen to focus on the entertainment business because of the huge problems that we solved right out of the gate for this. We have some of the biggest companies in all of entertainment using our tool right now, and a huge pipeline of over 100 businesses of some of the biggest brand names in all of entertainment. Tripgrid. Team travel shouldn't be in spreadsheets. Thank you.